Good evening, everyone. It's around good evening. So it's around 9 o'clock in the evening, and we are planning to go to the light show in Burj Khalifa. I'm not sure how it's going to be. I hear that there will be at least 1 lakh of people who will be visiting Burj Khalifa for the light show. And being said, uh, the fireworks are cancelled for in the other Emiratis as well. So I believe they're going to be a huge crowd, and I'm not sure. This is the first time I'm going as well. My friend is also waiting there with his family. But otherwise, we are really excited. Taking my kids along. Yesterday also actually scared too. Yeah, because it's not easy with kids. And you're not really scared, okay? But we are actually scared because uh, it's 9. We have to wait until 12. We have to park the car somewhere nearby Burj Khalifa because it's too traffic there. And after finishing the fireworks, there's going to be a 20-minute firework, by the way, this year, not just 7 minute. So hopefully after that, it will take at least an hour or two to come back to the car, and by the time we reach home, it will be around 3. So really worried how this is going to be, but yeah, we'll record everything what is going to happen, and this is how it looks for a family in Dubai to visit Burj Khalifa on a New Year day. So we are almost there, and the traffic is really huge. See, it's like we are 7 kilometers away from Burj Khalifa, and look at the traffic. The entire bridge is completely full. I'm really excited. The New Year is completely lit. All the buildings are completely lit.
And everybody is just going to Burj Khalifa, and that's why there's a lot of crowds.
Yeah. Okay. So we parked our car finally, almost a few kilometers away, like 1.5 kilometers away from Burj Khalifa, and we are walking towards it. Really excited. It's like around 10:30 in the night, and almost 1.5 hours to go. So we have to wait until then. We have packed all the snacks. Yeah.
After 10:30, it's 3 a.m.
What is that?
3 a.m.
Why 3 a.m.? What I didn't understand. What is 3 a.m.?
It's the dangerous night in the world.
Okay. It is too crowded. This crowd is only to cross the road.
ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ నాకు ఒక్క ఇంతమంది జనాలలో ఏంది రకంగా అనిపిస్తాను.
It is actually a hell. This is like 1% of population what you're seeing. We fought with the security, and we made ourselves stand here. Six, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! Woo! Kanna, look there. People in those apartments. Everyone came to the balcony and watching. Yeah, lucky fellows. It's like smoke all over. చేస్తారా అవి? Awesome. Okay. Finally, it's a chaos. Chaos. It's chaotic. It's completely chaotic. No words for that. But otherwise, yeah, Dubai is an amazing place to celebrate New Year, and this 2024 has brought us a lot of joy, I should say.